Okay, traders, we're going to have a look at the hot list sent in on the 24th of June. Now, I've already done a video on the 23rd. If you go into VIP signals results, have a look at this video that explains the trades taken on Monday. So we'll have a look at yesterday's trade. I think I only took one, maybe two. We'll have a quick look. But that was the trade I took for my Telegram channel. But this was the... we had two lists yesterday. Yeah, we'll go through them. That was in the morning, and then this was into the London session. We'll just grab this list here. Okay, yesterday, 24th. In fact, we better start with this one because this was the first list. Okay, Asian session. Okay, this is one we're in today. Go over to the... look at these signals going off, guys. Look, CAD Swiss. Show you how good these signals are. That one's just kicking off. That's it. That's all you have to do. Right, these are the signals that we took today. Swiss yen. It's doing a bit of a stop run. Euro CAD. Euro dollar. Looking good. And dollar Swissy. Now you can see the signals. Anyway, go through yesterday's Euro CAD. Over here on the list was a bullish signal yesterday, and that was around the Asia Open into the Asian session. So that was a bullish signal. Yeah, in my mentorship video I mentioned to everybody I really wanted the pullback and that this was my point of interest down in here. As it was just range bound through the whole session. This is the London Open. It was range bound, so we didn't get anything until it started to break through the New York session. You can see these signals kicking in, but part of our strategy is we really don't touch it until it breaks out of... See this square box here? You can see actually when you'll see there's a green and red line coming out of the box. And we don't want to really get involved unless we see it break out of the box. So this is the red line at the high of the box here. I'll just colour it red. Okay, so that's the red line at the high of the box, and we're wanting to see that broken, and the green line is under. Should change them. Yeah, we're all red bearish at the top, green bullish, if it breaks bullish. But so the part of the strategy that I teach in the mentorship videos, you can see the red and the green lines here. So we want the break above that red line, the breakout of this channel, and that happened back in here. Yeah, that was a bit of a non-event, the Euro CAD yesterday. I didn't trade it, but as I mentioned in the video, we're looking for the pullback. See, the pullback actually occurred, and we got that. All right, so then you'll be looking for the break of structure bullish at that point. Broke, pullback is really volatile. Now we're starting to see it, a little bit of movement today. So that was yesterday's Euro CAD, bit of a non-event. The Euro dollar yesterday, I think these were all a little bit suspicious. I only took one of these trades. The Euro dollar, again, in the mentorship video, I mentioned I really wanted to see the pullback down into here. It didn't happen, and it was just range bound. We got a little bit of a breakout here, so that could have been the opportunity if you took that breakout. So we're looking for the break above this range. Let me just grab it. The London session range. Okay, so we're looking for the break above this range, and that happened there, the pullback, and that would have been the opportunity. Not easy trading yesterday, but that returned, so this one was a 0. This one's returned 2R, or actually possibly 3R if you caught it all the way up to that high, but let's just call it 2R. Okay, that was yesterday, and now we've got this one running today. Pound CAD was another one yesterday. Yeah, there wasn't really much going on. I wanted this pullback, and here we got it. You see that? Some of you may have run off this pullback here. Actually, what am I talking about? This was the trade. Where am I? It was the Asian session. Oh, yeah, my bad. Okay, this was the trade yesterday, the pound CAD bullish. Okay, well, we've got a target up in here. That was a 5R outcome. Nice. All right, and the two bearish trades were the CAD Swiss and the dollar Swiss. So CAD Swissy, CAD Swissy was a bearish trade. We took that one, and stop loss would go just up in here. That's probably a bit wide. You'd go above this yellow dotted line. Oh yeah, I took this trade yesterday. That one was sent. CAD Swiss, did I take that? Just double check. I took the dollar Swiss. Okay, so if you took this one, I mean, that just continued down. There was a purple line here, and I mean, look, that just continued on. There's the yellow line down in there. You could have gone for that target, the previous day low. So if you held on to that one, you're looking at, I don't know, 5R, 6R. In fact, there was a NASDAQ bullish alert, so let's just have a look at that. That was a bullish opportunity after the Asian session yesterday. There it is here. All right, so that one, about a 3R. Okay, so you can see the results are pretty good. And I traded the dollar Swissy. That was yesterday. This is the one we're currently in today. Oh yeah, that was yesterday here. I closed it early. Look, I woke up just before the New York session, and I decided to close my trade for two reasons. One, it was late, and I didn't want to be up all night. So it was trading into, this is a weekly level here. It headed into that, and this line here is actually the New York Open. And, you know, we've been seeing some really aggressive reversals around the New York Open. I didn't know whether that was going to do that, so I decided to close it. Those of you, and then I mentioned to be in VIP, I put a note, I'm closing this, but if you guys want to stay open, maybe take partial profits, pull your stop loss to break even. So I put that into VIP. All right, and then that continued down, and, you know, you might have wanted to close it as you headed into the Asia Open, or, you know, down around here somewhere. But, you know, you're looking at least 3R, maybe 4R out of that, depending on how well you manage that trade. So, you know, definitely this is what's possible, guys, with these signals. That's 19R from yesterday. See how we get this range. Now we're looking for these signals to give us the go ahead. That's what we're looking at. Hey guys. Alright, so that's the results. June 24th, this is our hot list. My trade increased our return to a 5R on the Telegram signals. Okay, I'm posting the results up here. Okay, I've just posted that in. Results from the 24th of June signals. Video on the way explaining the strategy. And again, 7-day free trial. And guys, it's only $29.95 per month for now. If you stay on, I can't imagine why you wouldn't. This is going to go up to $79.95 very shortly. So you could lock that in, take the free trial, and gain access to everything. Instant access. Once you click this, it'll take you to my What page, and you'll be able to access everything immediately. It's all there. There's a video on how to get started. And so if you're looking for results like this, guys, it's all here for you. Just reach out and grab it. Okay, with that, have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.